Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Doordash gift card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started. First, make sure to log into your Doordash.com account after opening up a web browser. Once you're inside the main homepage of Doordash.com, go and click the menu bar at the top left. Now, from the options, click on gift card. From this page, you can easily buy a gift card or you can redeem a gift card that is available to you. Simply go ahead and enter your gift card PIN right here on this box where it says have a gift card, redeem it here. Enter your 16-digit gift card number and finally click on the redeem gift card button in order to redeem your gift card for Doordash. Your gift card for Doordash is redeemable towards eligible orders placed on your Doordash.com account. That is how you can easily redeem your gift card for Doordash. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.